Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.5% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite finished lower ahead of a key labour market report, retreating from record highs reached in the previous session. The Dow was slightly higher. Benchmark S&P 500 rose early, but then they retreated as technology stocks dipped. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, will once again allow its customers to purchase cryptocurrencies using MasterCard. Binance has resumed cryptocurrency purchases via bank transfers using MasterCard debit and credit cards for smooth transactions. The dollar traded sideways ahead of today's US employment data that could help the Federal Reserve set a timetable for easing, while the euro held steady after a widely anticipated European Central Bank rate cut.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US average hourly earnings will be released at 12:30 GMT, Japan's coincident index at 5 GMT, Germany's industrial production at 6 GMT. The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT, Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT, the Eurozone's gross domestic product at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.